It's a hot summer day. Gobble and Gulpy are sweating buckets. Luckily, they spot an ice cream truck nearby. Why don't we eat some ice cream? There are too many ice creams to choose from. Gobble is confused. Select what Gobble wants to eat. Feed him. Select what Gulpy wants to eat. Feed him. The chomping monsters absolutely love ice cream. They want more. Can you guess what they order next? Oh, Gulpy spots an ice cream sundae on the menu. It looks delicious. Gobble wants to... Let's prepare ice cream sundaes. Feed him. Let's prepare ice cream sundaes. Feed him. Now it's time to pay for the ice cream. Tap on the wallet. Tap on the wallet. They really enjoyed the ice creams. Thanks for joining the Chomping Monsters. See you on their next adventure.